Rayan and Zayn's Playhouse.
Hello friends, welcome back to Rayan and Zayn's Playhouse. I love snow and I love winter. But what I love most about winter is when Christmas comes and Santa makes a surprise visit to our home. It's the best time of the year. Speaking of surprises, Santa has made a visit to Rayan and Zayn's house too. Let's find out what Santa left them for Christmas.
You know who came last night to our house?
Oh, it's just something dark. It's a snowman. Yes! You can open this box.
Yeah.
Can go to Santa. Open
Zayn is doing a great. Yeah, gift from Santa.
Yummy.
Ah, do you like your ice cream?
It's coming.
Wow!
Woohoo! I want red, Z want green. Luigi. Yeah.
Yeah, you did it!
It's like a circle. The car goes round. Yeah! How to fix it?
This one.
Hey friends, let me share with you some fun facts about penguins. Did you know penguins can't fly? But we're excellent swimmers. Some of us can swim as fast as 15 miles per hour. That's faster than your dog can run. Oh, and here's another cool fact. Penguins love to slide on their bellies in the snow. We call it tobogganing, and it's so much fun. Now for a penguin joke. What does a penguin eat on its birthday? A fish cake.
Are you guys excited to open the new bumper car?
Bumper cars. It's a bumpy car inside. Whoa! I'm excited. Woohoo! I'm gonna do it. Oh my God! A bumpy car. Thank you.
Good job, Zayn.
Are you guys ready to race?
Yeah!
Set, go! For the second round?
Yeah!
Let's go in! 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! Whoa!
La la la!
Here you go.
La la la!
Thanks for joining us. Be sure to check out some of our other videos for more fun and laughs. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.